everyone, welcome to our channel Real Search Education. In this video we will learn Unit 1 lesson poem number 1, What a Bird Thought, for 5th standard English medium, subject English. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. In the world to me was very small and rounded, made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. At last, I flew behind the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? So, in next lecture, we will see these things to do for this poem. So, till then, goodbye.